Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter invitation code in Bigo Live. So go ahead and open the Bigo Live application in your mobile device. Then go to Me and go to Earn Money. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that there is this thing over here. If you click on it and keep the ID, your friend will get the referral money or some rewards. Let me show it to you once again. Go to Me, click on Earn Money, scroll a bit down, and you see this section over here. Click on it. It's the new user detection. As you enter the code, your friend will get some reward. So this is how you enter invitation code in Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.